Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change friend emojis on Snapchat. First guys, you need to make sure that you have launched the application, and then you need to make sure that you're on your profile section. Right after that, click on the share button beside the settings bar on your right upper side. Then you need just to scroll down and find for the customized emoji section. Just click on it, and here are all French emojis that you can change it. For example, we'll go with the first one. I will go with this side, and now as you can see it has changed. We'll go with second one, get with this cool meme, and it's changed. Also have the option for result or resetting to default. If you tap on it, it will get the reset or the first meaning time. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day guys. See you soon.